So in the end of this video, we're gonna have result like this.
Did you know Tokyo is one of the world's most innovative cities? Tokyo is the most populous metropolitan area with over 37 million residents. It features Shibuya Crossing, the busiest pedestrian intersection globally. Tokyo Tower stands as an iconic landmark inspired by the Eiffel Tower. Subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts.
So basically in the end you're gonna have a completely automated program that generates you videos using stock images, free stock images, and then it uploads it to YouTube or if you want some other social medias. Only thing you have to do is build it, or you can even download it for free from my community. Also I'm gonna show our results from one of my channels when I run those videos. You're gonna see how many subscribers and views these type of videos can get. So it is amazing what AI can do for free or for almost for free. So I built it almost for free, but you can build it free in VS Code or Google Antigravity, it doesn't matter. And in there you're gonna have AIs for free. For example, here I used ChatGPT Codex, and in Google Antigravity you're gonna have Gemini that you can use for free and build programs like this. Why almost free is because I was using here Grok API to auto-generate me everything. So let's try to start from the beginning and explain it a bit. So first of all, what you're gonna see is I have main requirements that are very specific. Video must be in video short format. So for that, aspect ratio has to be very specific. Then I have my thematic. For me it was short facts. Also AI is generating me music mood, text to speech narration, word leveling, subtitles, stock videos, downloading all of those things and fetching them together. And this might seem a lot, and this is a lot to come up with, but luckily we have AI. So when I started, I just said, hey, I want a shorts format, and then it started to generate me, and then I started to implementing all those changes. Like saying, hey, I want subtitles, please make those subtitles to match the audio. So first of all, what you're gonna need is stock videos. For that, I used Pexels and Pixabay. To get those APIs, it's very simple. You just go to those websites. For example, right now I'm logged into Pexels, and here what you have to do is search for image and video API and click on it. And here you're gonna see your API key, and it's gonna output you it over here. It doesn't matter actually if you see it because it is free anyways. You just very easily can generate it here in Pexels. And second one was Pixabay. Again, what you have to do is just log in your account. After logging in, find the API. Here it is right now. It is under About page, and click View API Documentation. Scroll down, and here you're gonna see your API key. So you can copy it and paste it straight away here to VS Code or Google Antigravity, and AI is gonna be able to use it. So these are two API keys that are needed that you're gonna have to generate yourself. Everything else AI is gonna generate. So for stock videos, I teach it to search for with main theme and keywords. And video shorts had to be at least 3 seconds. So AI has at least some source to cut videos from. So now to music. For this, AI is gonna use Internet Archive, and it's just gonna fetch music from there. This is one that I didn't touch. What I only did was to add a mood, a video mood. And this is also generated by AI. I have Grok, like I told. It is generating me a script with this beautiful prompt. It is kinda long prompt with all the rules that I already added. So now if I copy this one and here in Grok paste it, then it's gonna generate me a new prompt based on those rules. And so if I don't have Grok API and I want to use it for free, what I can ask Grok is generate me more of those. For example, he's gonna generate me 20 of those. I'm gonna tell Grok to make them as Google Sheet tables, so I just can copy it and put it to Google Sheets, so I can give access to this sheet. Also, how to do it I explained in my previous video, in the video about how to connect all the Google services. For that you're gonna need Google Cloud. So now I can copy it and paste it in Google Sheet. As you can see, here it is main theme, music mood, title, and stuff like this. So now I can give this Google Sheet to AI and AI can take from here. But it is much easier if you have API. API is not costing much, at least not to generate videos like this. So I recommend doing it. Setting up Grok API is quite easy. I explained it in my Grok API setting up video. So I have to go to XAI Cloud Console. On the left side of the menu, I'm gonna choose API keys. And here I'm just gonna create a new API key. It doesn't matter how you rename it. What matters is API key. So I click create key and now it's gonna output me this API key. So I'm gonna copy this one. Make sure you don't share it with anyone. And after having it, it's gonna cost you cents to generate video like this. So now I have video. Next thing that I added was subtitles using karaoke subtitles, because when you're following those TikTok videos, then you're gonna see that they are jumping like karaoke, because in that case people focus on video more and it is longer views. And here is just some styling for those subtitles. It is preferable whatever you like, but I used this styling specifically. I also added text-to-speech alignment, which means that every time that video runs, voice of speaking and video text that is outputted are matching, because by default it is not matching. AI doesn't know where everything is spoken, at which second which word is spoken. So instead I had to add this video alignment. This was a problem that I had in the beginning, so I had to repair it later by telling it to AI. And yes, as you can see here, script is generated by Grok API using Grok 3 Mini, although you can use whatever AI you are using like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud or whatever else. So these are the main settings. You can change language of the videos, you can change length of the videos, you can change all the other small settings, but these are the basic settings that I used. I'm not gonna go very much deep into the settings because they are personal. I'm just showing the way that it can be done. So the next thing that you can do is to auto upload it to YouTube. I showed that in my previous video where I showed how to upload to YouTube. And if you now look at my other YouTube channel that I have, here I upload these kind of shorts, but in Russian language. As you can see, most of them get like 1000 views. It is not much, but it is a good way to generate subscribers very easily. Every video is generating me at least some of the subscribers. Let me check actually. My top video got 468,000 views, which is actually a lot. Then others are like 30,000, 18,000, 17,000, which is very good actually, because I did zero input into this video. It was all generated by AI, even the video idea itself. And as you can see, this top video gained me 406 subscribers to this channel. And my next video with 39,000 views generated me 21 subscribers. So it is super easy way to generate subscribers and views of the short content. So basically in the end what you're gonna have is a simple program that generates you automatically videos using stock videos. It is good because you're not wasting AI credits on generating new videos, and also many people like real life videos, so you get views from those kind of people, and it is generating nice amount of subscribers if you're doing it constantly. So basically what you're gonna have to do is just let AI to run it, let AI come up with ideas, and let AI to automatically upload it to YouTube. So only thing you have to do is set it up. So one more time, this program can be requested in my Skool community for free, or prompts for this program as well. So for that you just have to join. Amazing part is that I didn't basically do anything. AI downloaded all the programs that I needed. I already had Python, but if you're not gonna have it, AI is gonna download it. It created all those files, all those folders over here. To be fair, only thing that I care is this final shorts output folder, so I can see the final videos. I don't care even what it did. So this was simple video, and have a beautiful day.